Good afternoon, Michigan City High School. Welcome to another MCHS Flipped Faculty Meeting, March 11th, 2019. Today's agenda, we're going to go over the Color Run, Celebration of Successes, Parent-Teacher Conferences, Wolfpack Roundup, Meet the Coaches, talk about our Nelson Chicken Dinner, our Advanced Ed Engagement Review. Aaron Garrett is going to talk about college and career readiness. Teresa Galloway is going to talk on graduation pathways. And Mr. Lugville will wrap up on English 10 and Algebra 2 Common Assessment data. The class of 2021 will be hosting a color run on April 20th, 2019. If you are interested, please see Ms. Tice or Ms. Frederick and get signed up.
Congratulations to all the winter sports that wrapped up their phenomenal seasons. Thank you, coaches, for all the hard work that was put on, and student athletes, you did a great job as well. We have National Social Workers Week. Thank you for all of the hard work that the social workers have put in all week. You see them pictured there enjoying lunch on Friday. We have Japanese Club as well as Wolfie and our group of swimmers that had an award-winning season with many records broken.
Trinity.
And I'm Jabril.
We love our high school.
Michigan City High School is awesome. But don't just take our word for it. Come on in, check it out.
We want to show you what's in store for you as a student at Michigan City High School. Let's go!
You already know we are wolves at Michigan City, and you probably heard our slogan, one city, one pack.
We also have a simple mission statement, excellence for everyone.
We are a family, and we want everyone to succeed.
Our little family has over 1,600 students. That may sound like a lot, but you don't get lost or overlooked here.
Michigan City High School is broken down into 4 smaller schools within a school to take you to new levels of success.
The 4 schools are Honors College, Early College, Core Academy, and Foundations Academy.
Every one of these has its own administrator, counselors, and teachers.
Honors College challenges high-ability students with honors sections in all core classes. Students start earning college credits freshman year through dual credit and advanced placement. Honors classes are tough, but they prepare you well for college. You also earn weighted grades and will be on track to graduate with an academic or technical honors diploma, or both.
Each year, up to 125 students are accepted into our early college program. These students take honors classes, dual credit, and AP classes too, with extra guidance and a focus on study skills. In some cases, they are the first in their families to go to college. We are one of the only schools in the region with an early college program.
Core Academy is for students on a pathway to earn any type of Indiana diploma. By junior year, they take dual credit or career and technical education courses. The focus for Core Academy students is success during and after high school. They have a lot of options.
But what if you're starting off high school, feeling behind? Maybe your grades aren't where they need to be, or you face some challenges. No worries. Foundation Academy is there for you. You'll get the extra support you need to catch up, keep up, and prepare for what's ahead.
If you're interested in any of these 4 schools within a school, talk to your counselor.
Speaking of counselors, ours here at City are the best. Your counselor will get to know you well and will help you with scheduling, exploring careers, applying to colleges, researching scholarships and financial aid, and more.
What would we do without our counselors?
Okay, you got to see a quick glimpse of what's going to go on for Wolfpack Roundup on Thursday. We also have parent-teacher conferences right after school from 2:30 to 5:30. We have Meet the Coaches that will be taking place from 2:30 to 6:30 as well as if anybody wants dinner, we're going to have Nelson Chicken Dinner from 3 to 7 p.m. Tickets are $10 a piece.
The Advanced Ed Engagement Review begins tonight. The Advanced Ed Committee will be presenting an overview to the Engagement Review team members this evening, and that team will then be at our high school tomorrow morning from 7 o'clock through about 4:30. They will be in the lunchroom, hallways, at the bus pickup. They will be popping into classrooms using the Elliott walkthrough tool, and they'll be sharing and speaking with our students and staff in focus group meetings, our parents, and community members. So when you see them, feel free to say hi to them. And thank you to all the teachers and staff members that will be participating in the focus group after school tomorrow. If you have any questions about that, feel free to see me or Ms. Van Buskirk tomorrow, and we can talk about what that will look like. But thank you to all the hard work and everything that's went into this process. We are ready. Be proud and share all the wonderful things that are happening at Michigan City High School with the Advanced Ed Engagement Review team members.
Hi, this is Aaron Garrett. Just wanted to talk with everybody quickly about college and careers as they pertain to the high school going forward. The first thing I wanted to just say is that I appreciate everything you guys are doing in classrooms and continue to do in classrooms. I just want to say that if you could, and I'm sure most of you are already doing this, just encourage students as you hear announcements about FAFSA, meeting with college reps, or just anything that pertains to colleges or careers, just continue to encourage them to look for those things and move towards those things. In addition, this Thursday, I will be meeting with all seniors and any early graduates to discuss several different things. We're going to do a quick survey on Naviance to just discuss where they are with college and careers. And that will happen once again during Impact. And in addition, we're also going to do a quick presentation with Ivy Tech in conjunction with Next Level Jobs of Indiana, which is an awesome program that's through a grant. And basically, it will pay for 2 years of college for a student who graduates from Indiana and will make them able to do jobs in manufacturing, health sciences, logistics and transportation, and construction, and there's another one as well, but I can't remember the top of my head right now. Also, as we continue to move towards graduation, one of our district goals is to make sure that 100% of our students have completed FAFSA. FAFSA doesn't mean that you have to have loans. FAFSA just is giving a student an opportunity to have money if they choose to go into college. That's all I got for you guys. I look forward to talking with you guys soon again about what's going on for college and careers.
Everybody, it's Teresa from the Guidance Office. A few months ago, I shared with you the new Graduation Pathway Initiative from the state. This will begin with all students in the class of 2023 and beyond. However, our current students who have not passed I-STEP may opt into the pathway if they meet the requirements and choose to do so. Remember, there are 3 requirements, or what we like to call buckets. Students must do one activity in each bucket. Bucket 1 is to earn the diploma. Bucket 2 is to learn and demonstrate employability skills. This is through a project-based learning experience, a service-based learning experience, or a work-based learning experience. Bucket 3 is to show post-ready competencies. A variety of options are in this bucket, including earning an honors diploma, earning specific scores on ACT, SAT, and ASVAB, earning dual credits or taking AP courses and exams, or being a career and technical education concentrator. What I wish to speak with you about today is Bucket 2. If any of you are doing things in your class or outside of your class that you feel may meet the requirements of project or service-based learning, please let me know. We want to have as many options for our students to get involved as possible. Currently, we have approval for a few projects Mr. R is doing in construction and 2 projects being completed by Miss Gray, Mrs. Kohler, and Mr. Jazicki in science. So put your thinking caps on and let's get creative. The more options we can offer our students, the better.
English 10 and Algebra 2 teachers have been working hard and meeting throughout the year to develop common assessments for their students, and what you see in front of you is the Algebra 2 and English 10 standards and the percentages from this last common assessment number 5. We're continuing to dive into our data and to adjust our instruction based on what we're seeing from students, and so great job teachers in English 10 and Algebra 2.
MCHS staff, that's a wrap for our flipped faculty meeting. Please log on to Padlet.com/NXY8SNKHDUWF, and please leave a comment or a question that you might have regarding our flipped faculty meeting. Everybody have a wonderful week. Go Wolves. One city, one pack.